Working with very large assemblies in SolidWorks has never been easier than it is today. You're able to open very large assemblies in resolve mode, and it is not unreasonable in the amount of time it takes. But if you're trying to open a very large assembly just to check how components fit together and not really planning to make many changes to your assembly, you might feel like the loading of the assembly takes a very long time. Up, you're able to navigate around and find what you'd like within the assembly. So if you don't need the full details of the resolved assembly, if you're not going to be changing any components and all you really want to do is check how components fit together, loading it resolved might be excessive. Another option for viewing your assemblies is using the Large Design Review mode. In assembly, you can choose which mode to open it up in. Large Design Review will be the fastest to open. It will show us what we can and cannot do within Large Design Review. And once it opens, see that we can navigate through our assembly very quickly.